Hello everyone. In the previous videos, we have discussed about few concepts of multiplexer, like how to build 4x1 multiplexer using 2x1 multiplexer. That is building a multiplexer using another multiplexer. And another concept was building a basic logic gates using multiplexer. So now also I am going to discuss about another concept of multiplexer, that is MUX Tree. What does this MUX tree indicate, or what is MUX tree? So in the previous videos we have discussed about how to build 4x1 MUX using 2x1 MUX. There is a method, I have shown you how to do that using that method. This MUX tree tells us how many number of 2x1 MUX are required to build 4x1 MUX. That is, MUX tree helps us to define the number of lower order multiplexers to give the higher order multiplexer. So I'll just show you a basic example, a small example. 2x1 MUX. This is one input, one output. So 2x1 MUX. And again I am attaching a 2x1 MUX. And again I am attaching 2x1 MUX. Again to here I am attaching 2x1 MUX. And again I am attaching 2x1 MUX, 2x1 MUX, 2x1 MUX. So you see how many inputs are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, we have built 8 cross 1 MUX using 2 cross 1 MUX. So this concept is nothing but MUX tree. So now we are going to see how many number of 2 cross 1 MUX are required to build 8 cross 1 MUX using 2 cross 1 MUX. So I am going to explain how would you find the number. So the question is number of 2 cross 1 MUX required for 8 cross 1 MUX. The first step we have to do is divide the higher order by the lower order, 2, that is 4. And again I am going to divide this by using the lower order one, that is 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. And again I am going to divide this using the same lower order multiplexer, that is equal to 1. We have to stop when we get result as 1. If we get result as kind of 0.5, or here you would get 1 by 2, then you have to stop the calculation there and you have to consider 0.5 as also 1, because you can't have a half multiplexer. So from this calculation we got to know 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 2, 6, 7 multiplexers. That is, we require 7 2 cross 1 multiplexers to build 8 cross 1 multiplexer. So in the next video I am going to solve other few examples based on the MUX tree. Thank you.